Are you tired of dealing with inefficient and outdated lighting fixtures at your commercial property? Upgrade to PLT Premium Spec's new LED Cutoff Wall Pack, a cost-effective and reliable LED wall pack fixture perfect for your outdoor commercial applications. Housed in high-quality die-cast aluminum, this wall pack is built to thrive in even the harshest outdoor conditions, while its UL rating allows it to safely be used in wet locations. This wall pack's full cutoff design helps eliminate light pollution and reduce glare by aiming all the light straight down. This is perfect for places that have light pollution regulations or when you want to keep light spill to a minimum. With its warm and inviting color temperature of 2200 Kelvin, your outdoor spaces will provide enough illumination without being too harsh or bright for neighboring buildings or nearby residential areas. Not only will you appreciate the cozy and comfortable ambiance it creates, but your customers and employees will as well. Plus, with its energy-efficient LED technology, you can sit back and enjoy consistent savings on your electricity bill. Whether you need to illuminate a walkway, parking garage, or building exterior, this LED wall pack fixture from PLT Premium Spec has got you covered. Don't settle for less, upgrade your lighting today. Shop at 1000bulbs.com or call 1-800-624-4488 and within 6 seconds, speak with a US-based lighting expert that is standing by ready to help make your next purchase swift and smooth.